Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to add AI chat, smart forms, content generation, or automated responses to your Lovable website, integrating it with ChatGPT by OpenAI is the ultimate upgrade in 2026. Most problems happen because of wrong API setup, missing webhooks or unpublished pages, or testing in preview mode. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to integrate Lovable with ChatGPT in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, decide how you want to use ChatGPT. So before integrating, be clear about the use case. So most common Lovable plus GPT use cases like AI chatbots on your website, auto reply to form submissions, AI generated emails or messages, smart FAQ or support assistant, content generation. Okay, so your use case determines the setup method. So choose your integration method. So Lovable doesn't connect directly to ChatGPT by itself. So you integrate ChatGPT through an API or automation tool. Best options in 2026: Lovable Webhook Make ChatGPT, or Lovable Webhook Zapier ChatGPT, or Lovable Costume API Endpoint ChatGPT. So the Make method is the most powerful and flexible. So get your OpenAI API key. So go to the OpenAI dashboard, create an API key, copy and store it securely, and never expose the API key directly in Lovable front end code. Okay, so in Lovable, select your form, go to actions, choose webhook, send data like, and then save the configuration. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.